Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one and only Great Dan, back with a 536 star drop opening. So let's see what we have. Starting with a rare, 50 coins.
Super rare.
Onto a super rare, 50 power points.
Super rare.
And another super rare of 100 coins. Of course, we have our day 4 guaranteed rare star drop, I guess. 50 coins. Still a free reward, can't complain too much, but again, a guaranteed rare doesn't exactly excite the mind. So if we hop on over to the event selection for today, get an arcade in about 4 days. Still have bot drop quadrants and Spirit Wars Infernal Invasion. Been using Spirit Wars a bit to get my trophies up. Brawl Ball 5v5 Freezing Ripples and Knockout 2 Rivers. Again, we're getting close to the end of the ranked mode for this season, so make sure to get in on that. I still have to myself as well. If we hop into the shop, we have $10 gems, Toy Story skins, we have the holiday skins. We still have all this last chance esports stuff in the shop for some reason. Wow, okay, I have a 600 coin jackpot for the daily freebie. That's pretty darn good. And then you gotta go and ruin it with 10 power points, of course. Yeah, nothing too special going on besides that today as far as I'm aware. So, as of today, I have 2,383 XP doublers and 111,751 power points. And I'm sure it'll be useful probably sometime. But let me know if you guys plan on purchasing any of that last chance esports items. Again, I don't myself, but maybe you guys do, and I'm interested to hear why if you do. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.